Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel, or welcome if it's your first time watching one of my videos. Hi, my name is James and today I'm going to be talking about my colour trend predictions for 2020. Before we start, I just want to say if you see any glitter on my face or in my hair or on my hands or on my top, please just ignore. I'm just home from dressing a window, so you know it was a Christmas window, so I'm obviously covered in glitter, but you know what, the show must go on, so let's do it. Okay guys, so in 2020, I feel like at the beginning of the year we're going to see a lot of the big colours right now kind of transitioning into 2020, so like they'll still be like relevant and like popular and trendy, as you know, I hate that word. So these would be like, you know, the greys. Grey, I'm sorry, but I don't think it's ever going to die out because it's such a classic colour. It's like white or black. It's like a mix of the two and it's beautiful. I love grey. I'm a big grey user, and it's not just one shade of grey. There's hundreds of shades of grey. Like there's grey with blue undertones, with more green undertones, with pink undertones. There's such a variety of grey colours out there, and I'm obsessed, so you know, you should be too. And I know grey is overused and but like not every shade of grey is overused. There's a specific tone that I see a lot. It's the kind of lighter grey. It's used a lot, but like explore different shades of grey in 2020, you know? If you're stuck in your comfort zone, you know, there's different pathways in the grey world. There's lighter, there's darker, there's deeper, there's moodier, there's the whole range. Just experiment. Also in 2020 I'm seeing a lot of beige. Beige, like neutral colours, will also be big in 2020. We've seen them kind of get a lot more popular towards the end of 2019, like midway towards the summertime. Towards the end of 2019, like they've been a big colour in interiors, like, you know, these off-white colours, like, you know, not the traditional beige and brown. It's a kind of more contemporary version. I don't know if you remember in my 2019 colour trends video, I actually talked about beige becoming a thing again, but like a more contemporary version of it, not that cream, not very nice colour. It's more white, grey, beiges. Green is like my favorite color, so like I'm sorry, but like I'm never gonna not use green. I just love it. Green was a big color this year. I mean, I feel like it really hasn't got its shine yet. It will. Green, yeah, I love green. I love green. That's all I have to say about green. I'm gonna continue using green into 2020. Maybe it might stop midway towards the end of the year, because, you know, we get repetitive, but I feel like green will be bigger towards the beginning of the year, you know, spring, summer, that season. But like green is such an amazing transitional color because it works in spring and summer, but it also works in fall and winter, so it's amazing transitional color. Also pastels now, I mean, are a color that like haven't been around for a while. Like I think, was it more like 2013, around that era, 2015, or pastels a thing? But pastels against like more muted backdrops like whites or greys, I think they're going to be like a thing, like with color blocking, like, you know, one wall pastel and then the other wall like a white, like, you know, that kind of a way. Not like, you know, a whole room painted like pastel yellow, because that would be a lot, but like also if you like that, you know, do it, do you, kill it. I'm actually kind of excited for this trend because I will be excited to experiment with it in 2020. Yeah, I'm excited to see like how this colour can change a space and change a feeling in a space, and different ways I can incorporate it into a space, because I don't think it just has to be in paint. It can be in art or flowers or, you know, accessories in that department. So I'm excited to experiment with this trend in 2020. Then also a more organic palette I think will be continuing through into 2020. Like, you know, the more natural, raw, rustic, that kind of a vibe I think is going to be very big. So like, you know, the neutral, like, you know, soft browns and off-whites and greys again, and just nature like natural colors, natural fabrics, natural vibes. Like that's gonna be a continuation into 2020, and I'm really excited with this because I love that whole natural vibe and organic elements in the space. And like you don't have to do your whole room like, you know, organic and natural. You can choose elements and incorporate them into your space as you want. Okay guys, and they're my color trend predictions for 2020. If you have any colors in the comments that you think are going to be big in 2020, please let me know. I'd love to know what your thoughts are. And also just remember guys, it's only color. Like color is supposed to be fun, like design is supposed to be fun, so you create whatever colors you want, you throw whatever colors you want into your space, and if you like it, then that's all that matters. Don't like be listening to me or anyone else telling you like you can't use this color or this color is outdated. Color is based on your own preference, like, so it's not just because no one's using it anymore doesn't mean like it's outdated or done or tired. If you like it, use it. That's all I'm gonna say. Okay guys, and that's the end of this video. I really hope you enjoyed it. Please don't forget to hit that subscribe button. Also hit that little notification bell to be notified when I upload. I upload every Wednesday and Saturday. And you do not want to miss this month because I have some amazing and exciting videos planned for you. Like, you're not even ready. You're not even ready for it. So, until next one, bye.